Hello everyone, and this is Bimi here, designer on the team, and this is sprint update for the 25th of May 2021. In this sprint, a lot of the time was spent on payment, brainstorming on ideas and ways to make the payment experience really better for Nkwashi staff based on what they are used to, um, and how to basically make it seamless. So a lot of time was spent brainstorming on what the best possible solution would be regarding payments in order to solve the needs of the sales staff, sales and payments team of Nkwashi. So um, one way we've decided to go about it is the removal of invoices from the platform, every concept that has to do with invoices, and just basically work in such a way that you make a payment on the platform and a payment amount can be disbursed into a particular plan based on the monthly amount to be paid for the plan. We've also removed the concept of partial payments and payments in being in progress and all of those. So right now, a payment on our platform is either paid or unpaid. So no concept of partial payments, no concept of payments pending, and all of those. So we've worked on the refresher of the payments page, removing the concept of invoices, being able to add invoices here. We've removed that and come up with a new page for transactions. So on a transaction, what you basically see now is payments deposits made by clients on towards a particular plot. And here you can also see the amount out of this plot that is unallocated. So in a situation whereby you make a payment of, let's say, 500 kwacha and a monthly payment is of 200 kwacha, you're only able to make two installments rather towards that particular plan, and the remaining 100 kwacha is moved into your unallocated funds. And prior to this, we were able to work with the concept of partial payments, but we are not working with that anymore, as the new solution would really help make the application more easy, more user friendly as well. So now you can also click on your plans and go ahead to view your statements. Clients wants to be able to see their statements, so they want to be able to see the receipt number of payments being made, payments dates, amounts paid, the installments, how many installments, the monthly installments, and how many of that installment that was able to be made by that particular deposit at the time, and the total unallocated um, amount. So apart from brainstorming about payments, there was a lot that has to be payments. Also, the ability to withdraw unallocated funds as well. Brainstorming on the concept and um, how a user is going to be able to allocate a payment. And there's still a lot of brainstorming being done concerning the issue of unallocated payments, receipts as well, and how we are going to tie all of those together, such that a receipt only has one particular plot payment at a time. So those are the things that we're trying to brainstorm and come up with the best possible solution. Also in this sprint, we finally started our usability test sessions. We've been able to talk to a custodian at the community at Nkwashi. We've also been able to talk to an admin. We've been able to talk to two clients as well, do interviews with two clients, one that has site construction and the other that hasn't. So what we're basically doing is trying to get feedback from clients, from all user types, basically security guards, get information, do research and find out how they are going about solving their problems using our platform and areas of improvement, which will document and would be added to story to be created for that in order for us to implement these changes to make the application um, more usable and help users solve their problems as well. Also, other internal designs were done regarding new cities that we want to come on board. Um, because of the removal of invoices, I've also had to work on the redesign of the payments dashboard. So now that we don't have invoices here anymore, it means that there'll be updates onto the dashboard as well. So what's replacing invoices here? How are we able to calculate due payments? Are we able to calculate the plans, and all of those things are being solved? Were solved in this sprint as well. So designs for those will be done in the next sprint, as we've been able to brainstorm and come up with the best possible solutions. Research sessions still go on in the next sprint, hoping to finalize that in order to come up with user personas and user flows of different features of the application, and best possible solution for them. This is all for this sprint. Looking forward to next sprint, and improving the overall experience of our platform.